Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So let's continue with our class. So we are in the fourth chapter, right? So let's continue with the chapter. Just take out 46 page number. So in 1930, the Salim Ali went to the BNHS with a proposal to study Indian bird systematically, right? So what he did in 1930, he went to the BNHS with a proposal to study Indian bird systematically, to study the bird behaviors and everything about the bird and the wildlife systematically, okay? Which had never been done before. So no one has done before it. किसी ने अभी तक ये किया नहीं, but सलीम अली ये करना चाह रहे थे. He did not want a salary. उन्हें तनख्वाह नहीं चाहिए. He did not want any salary. Only expenses for this ornithologically survey for the next 20 years. So he just did not need any salary. He just want to spend everything for the wildlife and for the bird, right? For the next 20 years. He roamed the subcontinent, studies the bird from Kutch to Sikkim. He roamed here and there to study about the bird. So he went to Kutch, from the Kutch to Sikkim and Afghanistan to Kerala, weaving a history, ecology, geography into the description of birds and their habitat, right? Ecology means the relation of plants and living creature to each other, right? Ecology means the relation of plants and living creatures to each other. So he went from Kutch to Sikkim, Afghanistan to Kerala, weaving the history, searching history of all birds and all, ecology and geography into the description of birds and their habitat, right? So in 1941, he published the Book of Indian Birds. So in 1941, what he did, he wrote a book. सलीम अली 1941 में एक बुक पब्लिश करे जिसका नाम इंडियन बर्ड्स है, राइट? द फर्स्ट ऑफ मेनी मोर बुक्स टू कम. It was an instant success in his royalties, enable him to repay his old business debt. By 1960, the man who had once been rejected for a government job for want of a degree was guiding PhD scholars. So, in 1960, the man who had been rejected for government job, he was rejected by the government because he does not have any degree, but now he is guiding the PhD scholars, postgraduate scholars. So Salim Ali helped the development of ornithology in India, right? Although he is helping the development of bird development in India, although recognition came late, his time that recognized late. He received several honorary doctorates and numerous awards. So he received many awards and many doctorate degrees. He was awarded Joy Gobindalal Gold Medal by the Aesthetic Society of Bengal in 1953. Then he received honorary doctorates from the Aligarh Muslim University in 1958. Then Delhi University in 1973 and Andhra University in 1978. Okay, so he honored many awards and many doctorate degrees and many gold medals for that. Okay, in 1969, he became the first non-British citizens to receive the gold medal of the British Ornithologist Union. So in 1967, he became the first non-British citizen to receive the gold medal. Okay. So let's continue the next class. I hope you understand all the points. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.